I'm Yasmin Simone, I'm 32 and I'm a hairstylist. So I feel like your hair really shows your personality, and for me as well, when my hair looks good, I feel amazing. It doesn't matter what I'm wearing, it doesn't matter if I've got makeup on or not. I feel like if my hair's in place, I've got a great style, I just look so good and my confidence is there. I can face anyone, I can do anything. So my main hair concerns are dryness, first of all. Because my hair is naturally curly, it's naturally dry. So that's always a main aspect to look at. And also I've got colour in my hair, I've got layers of bleach underneath and then more colour over the top as well. So I'm always looking out to protect my hair with all the chemical treatments that I have. So the Kerasilk products have helped with those concerns because I've had amazing moisture, starting from the repairing shampoo and the smoothing mask and then the curl balm as well. It's really hydrated my hair, giving it amazing definition and silkiness.